Welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose and we finally have our hands on the Tangem wallet. So I'm going to take this out. I'm going to try to hide my addresses. Don't need any more love letters being sent to me. So this is the 3-card wallet. We're going to cut to the overhead. So I'm going to take that camera, put it up on my overhead setup, and we're going to unbox this device and also compare it to the other wallets that are very prominent in the industry, like the Ledgers, the Trezors, in the Ellipal as well. The goal of this video is very simple. It's to give you an unboxing experience so you can imagine what the device would be like and to be able to compare it to other wallets like the Ledgers and the Trezors. Let's dive right into it. This is the Tangem 3-card wallet. If you want, you can go in the link in the description below, pick yourself one up. They come in the 2 or the 3-card packs, and they sent me the 3-card pack. So definitely check out the link in the description below. And on the back, it even says Tangem Wallet 3 cards. And they have this nice little slit that you can pull. So I already started to open it. And typically you want to make sure that this is not open, because if it is, then somebody could have potentially tampered with the device. So we're going to take that off and should come out like so. And there we go, Tangem. So the packaging is nice. I must say it feels like a premium product thus far. And that's kind of how the light is hitting it, just to give you a little example. And again, we're going to compare it to some Trezors and Ledgers and whatnot. So let's take out the cards. And yeah, it is really nifty. Very, very nifty. So it is plastic. On the back of the card, it says tap this card to your phone. So that's going to be how you sign transactions. These are very plasticky, but they feel good. They feel strong, but they will definitely pick up scratches, or I assume so. You do some ASMR. Let me get my wallet real quick. All right, so what I'm going to do is just flare out the cards, make them look all pretty. So there are the Tangem cards. And as a reference, I'm going to have my crypto.com card. So this is the metal card. This thing is an absolute beast. So I got to be careful, try to hide the numbers on the back, and of course the name on the top. But this is what it sounds like. And this is fully plastic, but the build quality is nice. The way the light hits this, as you can see from different angles, I do have one soft light as a source and a little bounce, but these wallets are the exact same size, pretty much. So it is identical. I will say they do look good. So let's check out what else they have here in store for us. So I'm just going to do another flare. Light's probably hitting it a little bit differently now as well. So we're going to go back here, and it says get started. So when you unbox this wallet, this is what you get. So get started. It's probably just going to be a link, right? So high security, battery free. I like that. Water resistant and extended use 25 years. So all we're going to do is use that to download the link. Maybe we'll just find it on the App Store. And you also have a little bit of specifics there as well. So I think that is all you need. And the idea of this wallet is that it's very easy to use. So I don't think it comes with anything else. I mean, yeah, I really don't think it comes with anything else. That is really about it when it comes to the wallet. So what we're going to do is put a couple of them away. We're going to set them aside. And now what we're going to do is we're going to compare this device to well-known hardware wallets. So what I'm going to do is compare this Tangem to the Trezor Model T. So that is going to be your direct comparison. So quite similar in size. If we hold it up, you know, pretty much the width So if we compare it in size, this is what we've got. So thickness, pretty big difference, but weight, it really doesn't feel much heavier. The Trezor is still my go-to wallet. Again, depending on how the review goes for the wallet setup, I don't know. I feel like the Tangem I'm going to use. I mean, I got the all black watch. I'm a crypto moose, got to look sexy at night, and it's definitely a good option. And the fact that I can also pair it with my phone, simply tap, this is going to be very interesting as well. Okay, so that's going to be with the Trezor. Now let's bring in a different wallet. And this has been by far my favorite as of late. This is the Ledger Nano S Plus. So this wallet is pretty nice. We're going to compare all three here in just a bit. I just wanted to clean off the screen a little bit more. So in terms of size, very different. So even if we bring back the Trezor, you could probably fit almost a Trezor and a Ledger on the card. I must say, I do like all three of these devices. If I were to grade them all, I would say that the Tangem, the Trezor, and the Ledger, these are probably going to be my go-to wallets. The Ledger, you can simply just have on your keychain. This you can have in your wallet. So for me, I can very easily take this and throw it in my wallet. This is going to be an example for your wallet. So you can easily slide it into your wallet, put it in along with your other cards. So we have to definitely dump this in a snack. Got like over $100 here. So that would be very useful. And it fits nice in your wallet. So there's so much going on with this wallet. It's got the security standards, and I think this is going to be a very interesting wallet to compare down the road as well. So we got the Trezor, the Ledger. What else? We got the Trezor 1 here. We also have a Ledger S Plus Original. Here we also have a nifty secux. So let me throw it onto the side here. So right here we have the Ellipal Titan Mini. We got the Trezor 1, the Tangem, the Ledger Nano S Pluses, the old and the new. We got the Trezor Model T and the beautiful Nifty. So the majority of these wallets will work with USB Type-C. So for example, with the Ledger, you're going to plug it in like so. Now with the Tangem, you're not going to need a cable, which I do like. So compared to all these wallets, the Tangem is going to be much easier to use. So you're just going to take your phone, tap it on the back. All right, so I hope this helps you get a better first look at the Tangem wallet. What we're going to do in the near future is also produce a setup video. So stay tuned for that. That brings us to the end of this video. I hope you got something out of this. If you are looking to pick up a Tangem wallet, you now know if this wallet is a good option for you. We're going to be doing a setup video later throughout the week. So type that in, type in Tangem under the channel. Also, a special thanks to the Tangem team for sending me your wallet. Again, if you are a company that you want to get more exposure for your hardware wallets or crypto accessories, feel free to send us an email. We have that in the description. So with that being said, the moose is loose. Check out our other online courses. We also have links for you down in the description below, and stay loose.